This is our 2004 Yamaha Bruin 350 push button 4-wheel drive. It's got a plow that came with it when I bought it. It's got the camo package. Pretty nice 4-wheeler. It's my grandpa's, so I don't get to use it as much as I'd like to. So. Pretty good. It's in real good shape still. So I got a plow on it. I take it off. I was plowing with it, making some money. It's kind of cold-blooded too. Okay, I'll start it up for you guys. So there's shoes for you guys. It's got the winch on there, came with it too. Alright, I'll take you guys for a ride on it. Okay, push the brake in. Put in drive, pull up the plow, choke off, here we go. Four-wheel drive right now, so okay, so that's my grandpa's 2004 Yamaha Bruin 350. See you later, YouTubers. I'll make more videos later.